So let me show you the ingredients for the praline pound cake, first of all. You've got eggs that have been separated. So you want to whip the whites separately. The yolks get mixed with the sugar, first of all, until they get incorporated. Then, as I said, the sugar, then the flour, and then butter. It's an old-fashioned pound cake. So that goes in there with a little bit of cornstarch, a little bit of vanilla, and lemon zest. That's what makes this batter right here that we have. You can see that it's kind of stiff when it all gets together. The only thing missing for this praline pound cake is that we're gonna add cracked, crushed pralines in here. So if you don't find them where you can make them, what you need is a clean pot, certainly a candy thermometer. And the reason for the thermometer is because there are different stages in candy making. This is going to be a soft ball stage, which is about 228 degrees. I'm not making this stuff up now. Okay? So you want to be able to do that. And here's what, it's very simple, the ingredients. In the pot goes sugar, and I use white and brown. Butter. Condensed milk. Oh, yeah, babe. A little corn syrup. And a pinch of salt. Now I turn this pot on. This is going to start melting. And then we slowly start cooking this as it turns into caramel. And then it's going to turn into a softball stage where we can spoon them out for pralines. You with me so far? Yeah. I wait till about 220 before I add the pecans, because I don't want them to get cooked too much, then they get bitter. Now, look, it's really, really crucial that you don't, like, start calling, you know, Aunt Wendy and having this long-out conversation when you're making candy. Because let me tell you, it just happens like that. I'm at about 225 right now. So that's when I'm going to put in the pecans and just a tad bit of vanilla. I'm going to take this out for a minute to mix that in there. Now, another way that I always check, let's see what we got here for temp. You get a little ice water. If you take a little spoon of this mixture, boy, you don't want to get it on you. See that? What happens is that it should solidify just like that. Okay? That's when you know it's ready. That's a praline right there. You can check it with the ice water. Little trick. Ha! Full of tricks tonight. So then when you're ready, look, and you can't mess around with this. Don't. This stuff will burn you, folks. Make sure you get it all out like this, and then you got to work real quick. Okay? How I work real quick, one last mix, and then I go for the spoon, and I start spooning out my pralines. Look at that. As big as you want them. Okay? Now, I know. Put a few of these in your pocket, ride the subway, huh? Oh, yeah. So, folks, you spoon them out real quick. Now we got pralines. You let them cool. After they cool, you can crumble them up. You can eat them just like that. See? Oh, yeah, look. So what I do is I crumble them now, and I put that inside my pound cake mixture. Divide the batter. into 2-pound molds, buttered. Okay? 350, about 50 minutes. They're gonna bake. I put them on a sheet pan, and here's what they look like. Feel how heavy these things are? Oh, yeah. Sometimes what I'll do is I'll take a toothpick and put a little bit of rum in there. Or if you want to just keep it real. Oh, yeah. Here's what we'll do. We'll just get a nice slice of this praline. Maybe you want whipped cream. Get a little praline. All right, we'll keep it real. I got a little mixture here of some pineapple, strawberries, some kiwi. It's not too dense, even though it's a pound cake. I like to, sometimes what I'll do is I'll take a little bit of this, a little sugar, like I said, a little rum, a little juice of like an orange or a grapefruit. Squeeze the juice out real good. Just put it in the saucepan, whisk it up until the sugar's dissolved. And then I'll just take that really, really light sort of citrus sauce and drizzle that on it. And then just a little bit of whipped cream. Boy, and that's a home run right there, I can tell you that. Absolutely. Real and rustic, folks.